Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, I'm going to do a video real quick and changing out the battery and everything on my white Glide. So all I need is a little Phillips screwdriver. Come down here, take this screw here out. And you have to bear with me, gotten people driving by, some noise and everything. Like I said, just pop that out, and if I can get my hands to work right, it just comes out like that, and yeah. So, little 10mm bolt is all it is. I'm going to take the negative loose. Get this taken off. And of course this right here, this is my charger. That way I can plug it in. And that's not even connected anymore. So I'll have to see if I can get me another one. Okay. That could be one reason why the battery wasn't charging. I didn't know about that. So that could have been something else. Been a problem with it. And just that strap right there. See about getting this thing out. The biggest problem I've still got my carpal tunnel going on, so I'm trying to do things. Yeah, it's a 310 cold cranking amp battery. So got that one down. And that's heavy. So now this is the battery I just got through ordering yesterday. This is during my live stream. So this is the battery. I said, ordered off of Amazon. It came in today when I was out at work. And this is a 480 cold cranking amp. Now also, this is a lithium battery. So, shouldn't have any problems. And hopefully everything's correct. It seems to be about the same size. Let's see. Yeah, it's going to go in there. So we'll take these two here out. Just drop that one. I don't know where the flat washer part went. No, there is no flat washer, just a lock. Well, there is a flat washer. Down here on the ground somewhere. Find it in a minute. So, get all this moved out of the way. That fits in there perfect. I'll hook up the positive first. Not use the ratchet part, just take the socket itself off. Someone's being naughty. Oh. Stroke that flat washer. So I'll just take and grab the bolts that actually came out. No big deal. That started. Tighten that up. Got to make sure I got the cover back on positive, that way it doesn't show it out. We'll look up the negative. You can tell this is something simple, a lot simpler and easier. Changing the battery out on the Dynas, because the battery right here compared to some of the other Harleys out there where you got to pull the seat off and a few other things. That tight. Put the strap back up. And that's what helps hold the battery in there. That's a perfect fit. And there's a couple of spots right there that go into these two holes here. Looks like I got them. Make the screw. Get that put back in. And that's it as far as changing the battery. Now start it up and see how it does. Oh. For the next test, see how it does as far as starting. So cover your ears, it's going to be noisy. I'd say it's a win. So, alright guys, there you go. That's how quick and easy it is just to change out a battery for a Dyna White Glide. This is 11 Dyna White Glide. So, I'll keep this battery here. See, you know, just in case. I'll find those washers. But anyways, there you go. Something quick and easy to be able to get done, and I'll have to get me another one of these cables. Looks like the battery cover itself cut through it. That might have what caused it to drain the battery down. I don't know. I'll get me another one. They're not that expensive. I think I've actually got another one somewhere hiding. But anyways, but there you go. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit that bell notification. So, later guys.